Okay, everyone, we are going to do some more back testing. More and more back testing. It's what we're going to do. Except this time, we are just going to straight up do the whole year. We're just going to start in January and work our way up. It is worth noting that the first week of January, for some reason, the data is a little bit skewed. But we're just going to be doing the same trade plan that we've been backtesting up to this point. But we're not going to do 100 random days. We're just going to do. We're just going to work our way through the year, and this will be relevant here because I'm not going to be deleting each day out. We're just going to keep it going. So let's see how far we can get today. All right, so for starters, the trade plan. So I have a 10-minute chart and a 1-minute chart here. This is gold, XAU USD. I have my TNT indicators, the orange and blue lines here. Basically, we take a trade whenever our orange line and our dotted blue line are facing opposite of each other, and the big blue line is pointing the same direction as the orange. And we take a trade in the direction of the orange line. And then we have a couple rules for exiting a trade, and it's different whether we're profit or running a negative trade. So I'll explain that as we when we get to that point. But for now, let's just look for our first entry, and we're just gonna straight up, yeah, we'll do 10 lots again. Okay. Let's just look for our first entry. And all I'm doing is keeping my eye on the TNT. Okay, here's our entry. Orange down, big blue down, dotted blue up. That's our entry to sell. Okay. So if we're in profit like we are right now, I'll close the trade. If we get a candle that closes above the body of the previous candle, unless our TNT lines are still telling us it wants to keep going down. In that case, we'll set a new standard or a pseudo entry. And if we're below our, in this case, since we're selling, if we're below our new standard, then we're treating profit below that, and we're treating it as if we're not in profit if we go above that new standard. And this just makes it so we don't have to close out a trade and start a new one, because commissions and spreads and stuff are gonna kill us if we do that. So, all right. So here's an example. So we close above the body of the previous candle. TNT lines are still in the sell position, so we're just going to set a new standard. So we're gonna treat this like our entry. So and like a new trade. So anything above that is a loss. Anything below that is profit. So that's kind of how we're going to treat that in terms of exiting our trades. Okay, and then we just keep going. Okay, so now our blue flipped. It flipped right here. Now, if we were in a loss, I would close out the trade if we were to make it back below our standard line. But since we're in profit, it's just business as usual. Same rules. Okay, and now we close it out right here. So we don't have everything telling us it's going to keep going down over here anymore. So we'll go ahead and close it out here. So that's a good trade. Very good to start, and then just close that out. And then we just look for our next entry. Okay. All right, and then we're going to stop trading at 9 o'clock. We're trading from 7:31 a.m. to 9 a.m. Mountain Time. Okay. Next day. So one trade, and it's a good one. Okay, very first thing, and we are getting a sell. Okay, so we're running a loss right now. So the only way I close a trade in a loss is if my orange and blue flip opposite from what they were when I entered the trade. So they're still bearish. Okay, so now orange flipped. So if this, our dotted blue, starts pointing down, then we'll exit that trade for a loss. Okay, and it doesn't. Okay, we still have bearish TNT, so we're gonna keep going. Okay, our dotted blue flipped, but if we're in the middle of a trade, that doesn't change anything. Just the big blue. Okay. Now, not all of our... Ooh, I'm going to sneeze. Not all of our TNTs are pointing in the downside. For the downside, we did close above the body of the previous candle, so we're going to close that out. Okay, and then on to the next entry. And the pace will pick up on this. I'm just trying to kind of explain everything as I go. Okay, we are getting a buy signal here. Okay, it's going against us initially. Okay, now we're back in profit. Okay. Now our big blue is pointing the other way now, so we'll go ahead and close this one out for a profit. And on to the next entry. Okay, and that's 9 o'clock. Okay, so far so good. Next day. Okay, take a sell. Okay, so right here, our blue switched. Oh, you know what? And we actually are getting a signal to close this trade for a loss. So this is up, that's technically down. And this is actually a buy signal, so we're going to hop out and buy. Now, even though I know that this is going to go down because we did click forward, we're sticking to the rules because we want accurate results for our back testing. Okay, and just like that, so our orange and dotted blue are flipped again, so we need to close that one out for a loss. Let's see, did we... Okay, we're getting... Oh, man. We're getting a buy signal here. Up, down, up. I know the big next... Yeah. Okay, and right here we are actually getting another signal to get out for a loss again. On to the next. Okay, hold on. Right here. That's up, that's down, that's a buy. Okay, our blue flipped. So we're going to close this if we can get back above our entry, just at the post. Okay, there we go. Close that one. Okay, on to the next. Okay, so we've basically seen every scenario now. Getting a sell now. Okay. Set a new standard. Now we don't trade past 9, but we do run trades through 9. Okay, we are getting a signal to get out. Okay, so we're basically breaking even after all that, so not a very good day. Okay, there's a buy. Okay, new standard here. Okay, hit our max loss, which is 500 pips on gold. And on to the next trade, which is right here. It's a sell. Okay. Wow, hit our max loss in one big candle there. This is a massive candle, guys. That's 500 pips in one candle in 1 minute. That is insane. Okay, on to the next. So we hit 2 max losses in a row, which always sucks. Okay, we're getting a sell right here. Okay. New standard. Yikes. These are big candles. Okay, okay, we're actually getting a buy signal now. Okay, new standard here. Okay. TNTs are still bullish, so set new standard. Okay, so we can get some 9 o'clock magic going. Let's see, so our blue... so this is kind of a gray area that I need to make a decision on how we're going to test this for the rest of the year. So right here, the blue is pointing up. So just kind of business as usual. Now and we are below our standard. So on the candle where we get back above our standard, our blue switches. Oh, actually, in any case, our blues we're actually getting a sell signal right now, so we would close this out in any case. But I still need to make a decision what we would do if that weren't the case. So I think what I'm going to do, we'll just close it out if it happens on the same candle. So that's what we're going to do moving forward. Seems to be the safe thing to do. Okay, close that out. All right, so we're running a bit of a negative P&L. Let's see if we can mitigate that. Next day. Okay, on to the next trade. So there's a buy right here. Okay, we're setting up a new standard right there. Okay, here's a good one. Okay, we're still bearish on our TNT lines. Go for more here. Okay, so this is exactly what I was talking about. So, oh, actually, okay, so it flipped right here. We got back above, so we'll go ahead and close that out. Or big blue flip, that's what happened there. Okay, so that was a good trade. Okay, on to the next, which is a sell right here. Okay, new standard right there. Okay. Our orange is actually pointing up now, so we'll just close the trade out since we closed above the body of the previous candle, and our TT lines are no longer bearish. On to the next. Ooh, you know what? Actually have another sell right here. Our orange is a little wiggly right now. Hang on, what happened here? Okay, so now our big blue flips, so we're just going to close out as soon as we get back into profit, which is right there. And on to the next. Okay, that's 9 o'clock next day. We're just going, we're just going to do the year. Okay, there's a sell right here. Orange down, dotted blue up, big blue down. That's our sell signal. Okay. TNTs are still bearish, so we'll just set up a new standard, go for more. Okay, our blue flipped. Let's see, when did that happen? Wait, what? Okay. When did the blue flip? Oh, you know what? The blue flipped, right? Okay, so we're actually going to close that one out because our big blue flipped. So, all right, we're almost even again. Okay, on to the next, which is a buy right here. Okay. Lock it up, go for more. Okay. Our blue is now not facing the right way anymore, so we'll go ahead and close that one. For okay, yeah, we're basically even. On to the next, which is a sell right here. Oh man, I had to sneeze there. Good thing I could turn my mic off easily. Okay, so we broke back into profit at the same time that this candle, or our big blue flipped, so we'll go ahead and close that out right here. Oh, we're actually going for a buy now. Interesting. Okay, everything flipped, so we're going to close it out, and we're actually going to go for a sell. See if we can get some... Oh, new standard right here. See if we can get some 9 o'clock magic going. Okay. We're still in it. Okay, now we're getting the signal to get out. Ah, darn. For a loss. Alright, on to the next, which is a sell right here. There we go. That's what this trade's looking for, this trade plan's looking for. These kind of movements right here. Okay, and TNTs are still bearish, so we're just gonna lock that up and go for more. Oh, nope, just kidding. Our big blue is no longer pointing down, so we'll close that for a profit. On to the next, which is a buy right here. Okay. Lock it up, go for more. Okay, our blue flipped. We closed below the body of the previous candle, so we'll go ahead and close that out. On to the next. We're just back testing every day of the year now, and we're just starting in January and moving forward. So we're probably gonna be doing this for a few days, and we'll have fun doing it. Just took a sell there. It's going against us. Okay, so right here, everything flipped. We are in profit, so we close it out, and it's actually telling us to go for a buy now. So it's kind of nice that that happened while we were in profit, so I'll take it. Okay, we're still in this one. Okay, now we're getting out and going the other way. Okay, setting a new standard right here. Go for more. Yikes. Okay, and we're actually going to get out right here since our orange and dotted blue flipped, so that one's a loss. And on to the next. It's actually past 9. Okay. So next day. So 56% win rate. Now, when we back tested this, our 100 days, it was 70%, but we were, whenever I set a new standard, I was back testing as if I closed that out and went for more. So that might affect our win rate a little bit. But the P&L should end up roughly the same. Okay, on to the next. Wow, the TNTs look really weird on this one. Okay, there's a buy. Okay, our blue flipped, big blue flip, so we're going to close out if we can post above our entry. Okay, and we are actually getting a signal to get out and then sell. Okay, close above the body of the previous candle, so put up our new entry here. So normally how I back tested a little while back, actually, let me look at my back testing because I might have fixed that. $561. I can't remember. Anyway, thanks for the like, whoever did that. If you're watching, thank you. Oh yeah, we're going for more. That's right. Okay, it's going the wrong way. All right, now we're good. TNTs are bearish again. These are crazy candles. Okay, new standard here. All right, our blue flip, so we're gonna close if we can post below our standard there. Hopefully we get there. Okay, so we do overall get a little profit there, but we are closing this trade and we're going the other way now. Okay, set our new standard right there. Okay, and let's see if we can get back above it. Oh, all right, we're getting out right there. Okay, so we're running negative P&L. After just over a week. Let's see. Yeah, almost 2 weeks. It's going to be pretty common. Run some negative P&L for a little bit, but our profit curve should be moving up. Let's see. Okay, so we are going to take a buy first thing right here. Okay, blue flipped, so we'll close if we can get above our entry, or we'll get stopped out for the max loss. That stinks. Okay, taking the sell. Okay, Set our new standard right here. Okay, darn. All right, close that out. We're going to go the other way now. Okay, we got a new standard here. According to my 100 random days of back testing, the maximum, or the biggest drawdown was 17,000. So I imagine we'll see something similar at some point. From the high water mark, that is. Okay, alright, we'll go ahead and close it out there. On to the next, which is a sell right here. Okay, we're still in this. Okay, our blue flipped, so we can close below our entry. We'll close that. Doesn't look like we will, and we're actually getting a signal to get out and go the other way. There we go. Okay, and we'll get out right there. Alright, on to the next day. Okay, we have a sell right here. Orange down, big blue down, dotted blue up. Okay, set a new standard. Okay, set a new standard. Yikes. Alright, our blue flipped, so we're going to go ahead and close if we can get back below our standard. If we can post below. Before we get stopped out. Ah, man. Which we could do right. Ah, man, that stinks. Okay, so we are getting stopped out right here. So, tiny loss, but we're gonna go for a buy now. Okay, set a new standard here. Okay, set a new standard here. Alright, so we did decide that if we have our blue flip on the same candle that we break above back into profit, then we would close it. So we're going to go ahead and close that. And on to the next. Ah, darn, which stinks, because that is a lot of profit there. Oh, I'm so back and forth with that. Okay, we're getting a sell right here. Yeah, we could have gotten all that and whatever downward movement's going to happen here. Ah, man. Okay. It's okay. We made a decision. We're going to stick with it. Because it's not always going to be to our benefit like that. It just happened to keep going in this case. Let's see. Yeah, we're still going for more here. Okay, our blue flipped. So we are in profit. We're below our standard. So it's just kind of business as usual. All right, we'll close it out right here since we closed above the body of the previous candle. All right. That's 9 o'clock, so on to the next day. Hang on. Right. Okay. Everything's lining up right here, so we'll take that sell. Oh, geez. And it completely goes against us right here, so that's a quick loss. That kind of stinks. Do you trade live the strategy? Yes. I haven't been for very long, but yes. In fact, today was a pretty good day. This morning, I haven't been live streaming my live trading lately, just because my area that I stream has recently changed to my bedroom, which isn't very good for streaming at the time that I trade. So, looking to remedy that in the nearest future, though. I guess what I could do is still film it and make just normal YouTube videos, but I don't know. On to the next trade here. All right, we're getting a buy. So orange is up, big blue up, dotted blue down. That's our buy. Okay. All right, we're going to move our standard up just a tiny bit. Okay, if we can get back above our standard, we will close it. Just keep an eye on... Alright, perfect. So since our blue is down, we closed above. We'll go ahead and close that out. On to the next day. And we're getting a sell first thing here. Down, down, up. That's our sell. Keep going. Very nice. All right. New standard. Okay. New standard again. All right. We are actually getting a signal to close out and go the other way. So that's a good trade. Okay, new standard right there. Move that up. Oop. New standard. Okay, our big blue flipped, so we'll close out if we can post above our standard. Okay, there it is. And on to the next, which is right. Oops, right here. So down, down, up. That's our signal to sell. Okay. Close above the body of the previous. TNTs are still bearish, so we're going to just set a new standard and keep going. Keeping okay. Our TNTs did flip, but we are still in profit. So business as usual as far as our exit. Okay, and there we go. We're going to get out right here. All right, we're officially back in profit. January, I don't know. January just seems like a weird month. I can't put my hand on it as to what. We're getting a buy now. Okay. Alright, so our big blue flip, so we're going to close if we can get post above our entry, or we'll close our trade for a loss if our orange starts pointing down. There it goes. So we're going to close it out for a loss. And that's actually an entry to sell. Yeah, okay, we're past 9 o'clock, so we're not entering any new trades. I do want this to get back down, though. Oh. Darn. Okay. So, officially our blue is pointing down, so we're going to take a decent-sized loss for that one. The Light 10 is a software that you can connect with any broker. How does it work? So this actually, you can't take trades in a live market, so you'd need to use like MetaTrader. So this is just used for charting and back testing. But what this gets you is you get access to this for a month. The $10 fee that you pay ultimately gets put toward charity, which is nice. You'll also get access to webinars for a month that teach you how to use these. Also, webinars that do live trading every morning, a couple evening ones as well. And someone, either me or someone like me, will actually do a couple of private sessions with you via Zoom. Get some more instructions. So it's pretty good deal. Ultimately, it's I guess a trial phase to see if you want to move forward with Day Trade University's full coaching program. You can kind of get to try it before you commit to it, which is kind of nice. Definitely worth the $10 in any case. All right, so we lost that one. On to the next. Interesting, thanks. Yep, no problem. All right, so we're about a little over halfway through January. We're running a negative P&L so far. I imagine that will probably change at some point. And we're actually getting a buy very first thing. Oh, no, just kidding. Dotted blue is not facing the right way. Okay, we're getting a sell right here. Nice. Okay. New standard here. Nice. Go for more here. Okay, we are actually getting a signal to buy, so we close that out for an overall profit. We're going to go the other way. Okay, close that out. We're going to go for a sell now. Go the other way. Yikes, we're getting caught in a channel here. Okay, we're still good. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, this is what we're looking for. That's the move the strategy is meant to find. Okay, close that out. And on to the next day. All right. Getting a sell right here. Down, down, up. There it is. Okay. Lock that up. Go for more. Okay, our blue flip. So if we can close below our standard, we'll just, ew. Yeah, there we go. Hey, we're profitable again. Look at that. And on to the next. is a buy. Whew, that's a little, okay. That one for sure. Very nice. Keep going. Okay. Block that up. Go for more. Okay. Go for more here. Okay, our blue switched. We are in profit, so oh, you know what? It literally flipped. What do I do here? So another kind of gray area. We'll close it. So let's close it out. Kind of in line with what we do when we're in profit, or not in profit. So we were even there. So I think we just kind of do the same thing as if we were, we'll just call even negative, which it kind of is. Well, no, because if that were the case, then we would have gone for a little bit more. Nah, I think we did the right thing there. All right here we're getting a sell. And we're moving away from our... Ugh, yikes. Okay, close that out. Take a buy. And then, of course, it goes down. Oh, hang on. We're getting a... right here. It's telling us to close. So it did tell us to get out before it went too much lower. All right. That's the day. Next trade. Next day, rather. Okay, we're getting a sell right here. Oh, you know what? It's actually telling us to hop out right here. And now it's telling us to get back in. Got a wiggly orange. Yikes. Okay, we're still bearish on our TNTs. Or we were. Okay. Hop out. Go for a buy now. There we go. Here we go. Big moves. Okay, we'll close out right here. Our big blue flipped. On to the next. Sell right here. Down, down, up. Dang. That's the complete opposite. Hold on. It's telling us to get out right here and actually go for a buy. Alright, so that was a pretty big loser there. Oh my heck. Okay, tell us to hop out now. On to the next. Okay, that's 9 o'clock. Alright, next day. Okay, so we're running about $8,000 negative. And again, according to my 100 days of back testing, we should be getting to a point to where we can run some positive P&L and get a nice positive profit curve at some point. if we can get a trade on this day. Haven't gotten any signals yet. There it is. Take a buy. New standard there. Ooh, that's good. All right, close it out there. Okay, we're past 9, so on to the next day. Okay, there's a sell. Down, down, up. Okay. New standard. Here we go. Here we go. Big trade. Big trade. All right, close out there. 7,700. That's a good one. We're positive again. All right. Hopefully our profit curve can be nice and steady. Oh. All right, on to the next. Take a buy here. Okay, lock that up. Go for more. Okay, we're going to close it out since we flipped right there. So another $8,200 trade. Woo! Woohoo! On to the next. Just a sell. Oof. Alright, well, we're going to give a chunk of that back, apparently. Ooh, man. We're actually getting a buy right here, which I hesitate, but we're getting the signal, so we're just going to take it. Oh, okay. Alright. We can pick up a little bit there. New standard. Go for more. Oh. See if we can get back above our standard. Hopefully don't give back everything we just made. Get back. Get above. Get up there. Okay, but our orange and blue are still pointing up, so business as usual. Alright, we'll close it out right there. Just close below the body of the previous candle. Alright. Awesome. So now we're $8,000 up now. On to the next day. And on to the next trade. Okay, get some crazy movements. Haven't quite gotten any signals yet. Wow. A shame that we don't get any signals on a day that has so much... Oh, there we go. There's a buy right here. Okay. New standard here. Okay, new standard here. All right, our blue is... When did that switch? Okay, yeah, we're good. Right here. All right, another nice little trade there. Okay, we're up almost 10,000 now. On to the next day. man. Okay, there's a buy. Up, up, down. Boom. Yikes. Yikes. Oh. Hit our max loss. We'll never enter a trade when both blues are facing the same direction, so that's why I'm able to click forward so fast sometimes. Alright, we're taking a sell now into this choppy mess. I imagine if it moves, it's going to go pretty far in whatever direction it does go, though. Okay, new standard here. Okay. Oof. There we go. Okay, I'll close that out there for 5,500. So not bad. Made back and some. Oh, didn't want to take a buy there. On to the next, which is a buy. Almost hit our max loss. Let's see if we can somehow make our way back up. I don't think we will. Ugh, we're still in it, which is almost a scary thing. Oh, man. Okay, our blue switched. So now we're going to try to make our way back. Close above. Oh, darn it. Okay, we're going to close that out. And that would have been a roller coaster. Okay, getting a sell first thing. Oh, buddy, that's what we like to see. New standard there. Go for more. Okay, we're actually getting a buy now, so close that out for healthy profit there. Go for a buy. Okay, we're still in it. Okay, our orange is actually pointing down, so we are going to close that one out. And we're going to get back in since orange is now pointing up. And I'm glad we did that because we were able to pick up some more. Okay, lock that up. Okay, our blue did flip right there. And I think we decided if we were even and then it goes up, then we would close it. So that's what we'll do. On to the next. We're going for a sell right here. Okay, lock that up. It's our new standard. Pseudo entry, I guess you could call it. Okay. Keeping a close eye on our TNTs, making sure it is facing up now. So if we close below our standard there, we'll lock it up. There we go. On to the next. Okay, that's it. Next day. Okay, I have a buy here. Okay, now we're getting a sell. So loss there. Close that and go the other way. Okay, yeah, move our standard. Okay, move it just a little bit more. Okay, we're still going. Oh, what? No way. Alright, well, we're getting the signal to close out right here for a small loss, which stinks. But it's our trade plan. Could be worse, could have been a big loss. Just sticking to the rules, back testing. Okay, close it out. Blue's pointing up now, so we'll close that out for a profit. Just a little one. On to the next. Okay, that is the day. On to the next day. So last day of the month. Okay, we're gonna buy first thing. Okay, we're getting a signal to get out right here. So there's a little bit of a loser. Go the other way. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. That is a buy. Okay, there's a good move. All right, there's our new standard. All right, and our blue flipped as we went back in. So we'll close that out for profit. Okay, we have about 20 minutes left on this day. See if we can get another trade. Which we do. Might see some 9 o'clock magic here. Or it'll go the opposite way that we want it to. Ooh. Okay. Our blue flipped. So we'll close that out. I think we did end up losing a little bit on that day. 31st. Wait, no? Let's see, 55. Yeah, we ended up losing just a little bit. So up $9,000 for the month of January on to February. And we did get a healthy drawdown. I think this did go to about negative 9,000 at one point. All right, we're out of January. Okay. Okay, there's a sell. Nope, just kidding. Here's a buy. Definitely some news that happened right here, which means we're going to get some good movement in one direction or the other. Wait. I think I got a signal to get out. Did I take a buy? Is that a buy? Yeah, it's a buy. Okay. Okay, our blue flip. So if we can close above our entry, then we'll close it, which we do. So we'll close that for healthy $500 profit. And on to the next. Okay, still nothing. All right. Little trade there. A little bit of profit. Nah. Okay, we're gonna sell first thing. Oh, there's nothing better than when that happens. You just very first trade of the day, and it just does exactly what you want it to. Oh, keep going. This is the trade that we're looking for. Oh. It's still going. Oh, man. February. What happened in February? All right. All right. We'll close that out there. And it's actually telling us to go the other way now. See, this is the exact trade that we're looking for. So $22,000 in one trade. That is exactly what we're looking for. All right, close that out. And we're actually going to go the other way now. Cause we're all right. I was gonna say, because we're definitely oversold. And these are pretty big candles, so we'd hit our maximum take or stop loss pretty quick there. But I imagine we're probably going to be getting another buy signal. Yep. There it is. Alright, and just like that, we make up that $5,000 loss. What goes down must come up. Okay. Yeah, made up that $5,000 loss and added $1,400. And yeah, close that one out. On to the next. Okay, getting a sell now. So big move, pull back. Hopefully it kind of goes back down toward the overall trend. Hopefully it doesn't keep wanting to pull back though. Don't want to hit our max stop again. What am I doing? I am back testing. Good old-fashioned back testing. Okay, our blue flipped, and we did get back below our entry, so we'll go ahead and close that out. Okay. All right, so yeah, this is exactly the kind of trades that this strategy is looking for. These really big ones. So we got 22,000, down 5,000, up 6,000, then an extra 120. So just like that. All right, next day. And I wonder if the next day will be as volatile. It's definitely moving. All right, on to the next trade. And I believe YouTube on lives has the option to rewind. So if you watch more toward the beginning of the video, I explain exactly what the strategy is here. Okay, there's a buy, orange up, big blue up, dotted blue down. That's our signal to buy. Yeah, so these are pretty big candles. And we are getting the signal to exit for a loss right here. Do you want to increase your subscriber? Of course I do. Why wouldn't I? Okay, there's a sell right here. There's a good one. Okay, TNTs are still bearish, so we're gonna see if we can get some more here. Which it looks like, ooh, maybe. Okay, when did our blue flip? Blue flipped right here. Okay, so we're actually gonna close it out right there. Okay, we're getting a buy now. Okay, our blue flips, so if we can post above our entry, then we'll just close it. Get up there. Oh, come on. Definitely a scary trade where these candles are so big. I mean, just this one 10-minute candle almost hit our stop loss. Okay, hang on. So right here, we are getting the signal to get out and sell. And then it goes up. Okay, we're still in this. All right. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, yes. Okay, setting a... Yep, set our new standard here. Next one's going to go up because we saw it. All right, our big blue flip, so we're just going to look to post underneath our standard and close it out there. If we can do that, that'd be great. There we go, perfect. Okay, close that out. Another near 3,500. Our win rate is 57%, so that's pretty good. On to the next. Oh, actually, on to the next day. Because we're only trading from 7:31 a.m. to 9 a.m. Mountain Time. And you can tell I'm in the Mountain Time Zone by the way I pronounce mountain. There's no T in mountain. 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 I don't know if that's just a time zone thing. I don't know. I'm in Utah. It's definitely a Utah thing. I feel like it's just a Utah thing. Okay, on to the next trade. Oh, I didn't even go to the next day. 2, 3. Okay, there we go. Oh, hey, bud. Oh, my little kid just ran in. Okay, we're going to take a sell here. Oof. Okay, set our new standard. Okay. Orange and dotted blue flip, so we're gonna exit that trade for a loss. That's unfortunate. We're now getting the signal to buy. What? Okay, hold on. Our orange and dotted blue flipped. Okay. You too, good sir. Okay, we're getting a signal to get out and go the other way. There it is. Okay, set our new standard here. Lock it up. Okay. Go for more here. Okay, all right, our everything flipped here, so we're gonna lock that up, close that, and go the other way. And then it wants to go back down, so Ooh. Okay, we're still getting bullish TNTs, so we're staying in. I imagine we're pretty far away from our pressure as well, so I imagine at some point we're either going to consolidate or move back to pressure here. Alright, let's see here. Our blue flips, so if we can get back above our entry, we'll just close at the post there. It seems to be a long shot at this point, but if we can. Alright, we're just going to hit our max stop. Okay, we're getting a sell now. Down, down, up, sell. See if we can make back some of the money that we lost there. Okay, right here. Ah, man. So our orange and dotted blue did flip, so we should technically get out right here. I think what I would do, like if I were in this trade in the live market, I would probably just accept, okay, I'm probably going to lose this trade. Might be worth risking losing just a little bit more to move a stop, my stop loss right here, and then hope it goes back down. Which we're not going to do, but we'll see what happens. So we'll close it out. Okay, we would have got stopped out and lost more money, so okay. And on to the next day. Give me a sec. I need to close my door. All right, I'm back. Okay, nothing happening first thing. Except for right there, we're getting a buy now. Okay. Move our standard. Keep going. Okay, still bullish. Okay, all right, so our blue flips, so if we, oh, hang on. Okay, we're actually getting the signal to get out, so our orange and dotted blue flipped. Dotted blue is down as well, so that's actually a get out and go the other way. So first trade of this day is profitable. And this is just crazy price action. We're still in this. Okay, all right. Blue flipped, so we're gonna go ahead and close out for another profitable trade. Albeit it's been a roller coaster. On to the next. Okay, I'm actually getting a buy right here, which stinks because I know it goes down the next couple candles. But we wouldn't know that in the live market. We're just gonna take our trades. Here we go. Hey, there we go. All right, we'll close that out right there. Our blue flips, so closed below the body of the previous candle. There we go. So we're up 40,000 after a month and a week, basically. Almost a month and a week. Okay, let's... Just looking for our next entry. Which is right here to buy. Okay, our blue flipped, so if we can just get above our entry, or post above it, we'll close it. Oh. Right here. Okay, good thing we did. We're actually getting a sell signal right now. Okay, let me just finish this day. Okay, move our standard. Go for more. Okay, move it down a little further. Okay, we're getting the signal to get out, so there's a little bit of a loss there. Go the other way. Oh man, as it goes right back down. Okay, keeping a close eye on my TNTs, making sure that I don't get out. Alright, we're in profit again. Okay, and TNT stay bullish. What? That was weird. Okay. Lock that up. Okay, our blue flipped. Actually, everything did, so we're technically getting a sell signal. It's after 9 though, so we're just going to close this trade and call it good. I need to go do something. I'll be right back. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, folks. I do have a priority I need to go take care of, but I'll probably be back on in a little bit.